Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on developer mode so you can load unsigned apps. Open the Oculus mobile app, go to Settings, select your Quest, and toggle developer mode on. Enter a developer organization name if prompted. Once done, plug the Quest into your PC with a known data-capable USB-C cable. Make sure the headset is charged and you have ADB installed on the PC. When you connect, accept the headset's prompt to allow USB debugging so the computer can communicate. Next, you install the File Manager app itself. Use SideQuest for a graphical installer or run a DB install file name. App from your PC, both methods push the app to the headset. Once installed, launch the app in your library under Unknown Sources, grant storage and file access when the permission dialog appears. If the permission doesn't appear automatically, use a DB shell PM grant COM. Example, permission Android. Permission, write external storage to force it. This gives the app access to internal and external content, so you can browse and Finally, open the File Manager in your Quest and configure default folders or bookmarks for quick access. Use the app's UI for everyday operations and rely on a DB pull and a DB push when transferring many files or troubleshooting slow Wi-Fi. If the headset doesn't connect, make sure the cable supports data, confirm file transfer mode on connection, and reboot both PC and Quest. If installs fail, reinstall ADB drivers or try SideQuest. These steps resolve most permission and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.